Hi folks, and welcome to the new Cool View Solar Window Coatings of Punta Cana. This is PanaShield, a ceramic film that combines aesthetics with solar protection and sleek, low reflectivity design, providing optimal cooling and protection in any space. This product is excellent for privacy, heat reduction at over 80%, UV protection for your leather rugs and fine furniture. With the high cost of the utilities here in the Dominican Republic, anything that you can do to run your air conditioner just a little less will certainly save you a great deal of money and certainly will enhance the look of your new modern home here in the Dominican Republic. So give us a call on WhatsApp at 401-871-3801, or you can find us on the web at coolviewdr.com.